Alright guys, so right here we have something pretty cool to unbox, so let's just get started. I do have a setup video, by the way. That's a different video. We're just gonna see what comes inside the box. So as we open it, right away we get to see the product. So it's right here. Now let's just take a look at what's on this side. We do get this. I honestly never used it. I usually just use a little bit of vinegar and then water. That's for my floors. My floors are vinyl. We get this pad with it as well. And just in case if you guys want to buy extra ones, there are the ones that they sell on Amazon, but they tend to be a little bit larger. So they almost touch the wheels. They're not that great, but they work. They can't get in the way though. So you have to be careful which ones you buy. And as long as they have this shape, you should be good. Like they do work just fine. Now these, with the last one I bought, I never use because I do have a vacuum itself. This just mops. And that's why I don't really need these. Never even use them, not even once with my other one. But they're good to have for those of you who want something disposable. These are perfect. I don't like that. I like to reuse my stuff. So that's why I like these. These are completely reusable and you can just wash them, use them again, again, and again. We also get a cable with it. Now this cable, you cannot plug it in directly to the robot itself. You have to plug it in here and this will charge this guy. Now, if you just have this in one room, yes, it will go back by itself. But let me note that if you have this maybe upstairs and you bring it downstairs and you don't bring this downstairs with you, then it has nowhere to return. So you will have to pick it up after the battery's done or it's done the job. Now I'm just gonna zoom in on the cable itself so you guys can see the details. So right here, it's gonna tell us a little bit of details about the cable itself. Some of you, I know you're watching this just because of this. But that's the writing on the cable. And that's it. Now on the bottom, there are some manuals. It's very, very easy to set this up. So I do have a setup video. Make sure to check that one out if you guys want to see this in action. And basically just need an app. And yeah, you could technically work with it without the app itself, but you will need the app. But here is one of the guides for it. You do get a safety guide as well. Doesn't say much. Plus your warranty. The warranty is only for a year. And the last one that I had lasted for 2 years. The second year, now it's not working properly. There's nothing I can do about it. Anyways, here is where you're gonna be placing your robot to charge. The cable will be plugged on the back. Just take this out. And on the bottom, there's gonna be some information. Just zoom in. So that's all the information that's on the bottom. On the back, you guys will notice that's where you guys have to put in the cable. The cable can be wrapped around so that way it can go against the wall just fine. Now this up here does light up. These again will be charging it. So after a while you have to clean them up once in a while. This is so it doesn't slip away as easy. And again, this guy, you don't need this. So on the bottom, there's some grip. This will go right here, like so. And that's it. Now here it is. You only get 3 buttons. That's all you need. You will be doing most of the stuff from within the app itself anyways. Right here is the tank. And that's where you guys can fill it up. The water will be coming out from here, connecting there. You will be closing that up. Putting it in there, make sure it's nice and snug, close that up, and there you go. Now this on the front, it is a bumper, so you can move like so. On the bottom, you will see some information on the bottom, and right here, it's where our pad's gonna be. These are the wheels. You guys will notice it's rubber. Battery, it's here. These are the connections, so it charges. Now, although this is just an unboxing, I wanna show you how this goes in there. So we're just gonna slide it in. That's how easy it is. So that's how it would look from the bottom. And if you place it like so, there you go. So that's how this looks. It's not that heavy, but it's not that light either. So it's not something you want to carry around that much. There's some branding on the side as well. Again, you guys can see the wheels and they do move like so. So depending on your floor, it could work or maybe not. But You basically want something very flat. Obviously, this is a mopping robot, so you want a flat surface for it. I'm just gonna show you around the robot just a little bit more. After all, this is an unboxing video, so we can do some nice close shots of the entire robot. So here it is from the side and the back. And that's it. That's for the entire robot. Again, the last one that I had lasted about 2 years, which is not great and not good at the same time, but it's been the best one that I found that cleans pretty well. Once again, if you guys want to see this in action, how to set up, make sure to check out that video. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.